last session, we have studied half-yearly chart. From that chart, we concluded that SENSEX is in primary degree wave 5 of larger wave called cycle degree wave 5. Said primary degree wave 5 need to enter and terminate in area 54,292 to 86,321 by price and by time wise January 2022 to June 2024. The same price area on NIFTY chart is 17,254 to 28,854 by price and same as per time. This is forecasting, but forecasting alone is incomplete without backcasting. In other words, anticipation is incomplete without participation. So let us move at monthly time frame chart of NIFTY for fine tuning and backcasting purpose. This is monthly NEoWAVE chart of NIFTY. Let us first mark the area by price and time that imposed by larger time frame, that is half yearly chart on monthly time frame. Same area about NIFTY is 17,254 to 28,854 and time area is from Jan 2022 to June 2024. For this chart also we have used log scale instead of linear scale because price turn double from its bottom. We can notice that primary degree wave 4 was ended at 11,557.40, a low of month November 2020. From there, it is a primary degree wave 5 begun and yet not terminated. The primary degree wave 5 is assumed to form a complex corrective pattern. First corrective pattern is thought to be diametric pattern. We can see with first corrective pattern prices entered above 17,254. The minimum mark of behavioral requirement according to half yearly chart. After first corrective pattern, next decline is X wave, which is intervening wave in between two standard corrective pattern. Post formation of X wave, next pattern should be second corrective pattern that requires normally to protect low of X wave and run upward by creating higher high and higher low, or has to move sideways. But practically this price structure behaved weird, created lower low and lower high, which are initial sign of downtrend. This is a rare scenario, but this too happens when there is a high uncertainty among the mass psychology. The second corrective pattern labeled with the progress label as wave A, wave B, wave C and wave D, and next wave should be wave E. Remember, here instead degree labels we are using a progress label because yet we haven't finalized whether this development is intermediate degree wave A or one larger degree wave, one primary degree wave 5. Due to price structure skewed downward, the expected price range measured from the top of wave A that rested in area 15,659 to 13,673 and time wise in between July 29th to December 30th. By price, second corrective pattern enter in price zone, but the pattern cannot complete without wave E. Thus, to get answer of next two question, we need to go on smaller time frame, that is a weekly chart, and fine tune their structure. The two questions are where and when this second corrective pattern will end and what will be the next move. This is weekly chart of NIFTY using here linear scale. Here first we will mark price and time area that was imposed by monthly chart. We can notice NIFTY already entered by price but not yet by time. Here first we need to study probability of neutral triangle. If that will rejected by market, then we will study other possibility. So here labeled wave A, wave B, wave C, wave D all are corrective in nature, that shown with column 3. As of now, complexity of wave D is not sufficient to label internal structure here. So we will label it on daily chart. But by NEoWAVE logic of time and price, here wave D needed to enter in price area of 15,576 to 14,867 and time range in between July 11th to September 2nd of 2022. Want to bring in notice that by price and time, wave D already entered in this projected area. Ideally, wave D required to end here at red dot, and next wave E need to start from here. But we said earlier that here on weekly chart, structure of wave D is not clear, so it will require daily chart for inside labeling. As we are in deduction process of neutral triangle possibility, we need to use neutral triangle NEoWAVE logic for wave E. That wave E generally reach up to 100% of wave A and less frequently 61.8% of wave A. These marking are 16,277 to 16,988. The rejection point of neutral triangle possibility will trigger at 17,332. All in all, conclusion is that on weekly chart, trend looks sideways. Expect the next event formation of wave E. Next to here, we need to analyze a daily chart and find out what is tradable there with next event. But before that, with coming session, watch and understand previous half yearly, monthly and weekly chart. See videos again and again so you can understand next tradable daily chart easily. During this understanding process, if you feel difficulty related with this chart, you may contact us through WhatsApp number +91 9921 439 884 or scan the code and get in touch. Thank you.